Significant science-proven reasons why you need to eat more mangoes. Mango, scientific name Mangifera indica, belongs to the genus Mangifera and is native to South Asia, especially prominent in India, Pakistan, China, Thailand, and Indonesia. Common mangoes are usually sweet. Mango is considered king of fruits because it does not only provide delicious taste but has immense health benefits. You can get plenty of vitamins, minerals and nutrients just by eating the fruit alone. Nutritional benefits of mango. The rich vitamin C content in mangoes will help to boost your immune system. This fruit is also an excellent source of vitamin A, K, folate and B6. It also contains good amount of nutrients such as potassium, copper, calcium and iron that is needed by the body for optimum benefits. Health benefits of mango. Alkalizing. If your body has an imbalanced pH, the tendency is that you are likely to have a low immunity, fatigue that may lead to chronic diseases. Mangoes are the perfect fruit to keep your alkali reserve in balance, thus resulting in a healthier body and overall wellness. Anemia. Food supplements such as iron may provide you the essential nutrient, but since they are still made synthetically, it might pose some side effects. Indulge in mangoes instead so that you can have your RDI of iron every day. The benefit to you is that it helps prevent anemia and it is healthy and safe. Anti-cancer. Mangoes are an excellent source of antioxidants such as quercetin, isoquercetin, fisetin, astergalin, and methylguia, which combats the bigs especially of the colon, breast, leukemia and prostate cancers. It also has magneferin, an immunomodulatory that helps strengthen the immune system for fighting cancer and other chronic diseases. Aphrodisiac, also known as the love fruit, mango is a natural way of enhancing the virility in men. It also contains a good source of vitamin E that helps to regulate sex hormones and boosts sex drive. Brain health. If you are having problems with keeping focus and lacks concentration, perhaps you need glutamine acid. Mangoes contain this essential protein that helps enhance memory and promotes concentration. Constipation. Mangoes are very high in fiber content and are beneficial for keeping the intestines moving regularly for preventing constipation. Cholesterol oxidation. Aside from antioxidant, it is also a great source of fiber which helps lower cholesterol levels, especially low-density lipoprotein, otherwise known as LDL. Digestion. Fresh mangoes contain superior enzymes that help in the breakdown of carbohydrate, protein and fat, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients from other foods you eat. DNA protection. DNA is in the nucleus of each of your cells. When DNA becomes damaged through oxidative stress, age, diseases and faulty nutrition, they can develop harmful mutations. Eating mangoes will help keep your DNA intact for a long and healthy life, warding off degenerative diseases. Energy. Mangoes are one of the fruits that many people turn to for its healthy carbohydrates that convert into longer-lasting energy when consumed in the morning. Eye health. The fruit provides at least 25% of the suggested recommended daily intake RDI of precursor vitamin A that can help promote good eyesight and prevent night blindness. Healthy digestion. Mangoes are rich in probiotic dietary fiber which aids in digestion. They also contain certain enzymes that help to properly break down protein. Heart health. Eating mangoes is a good way to help reduce your blood pressure, strengthen your arteries and lower the risk of strokes. Studies have shown that this fruit is very high in antioxidants, one of the best things for heart health. Immune system. Wouldn't it be great if you are insusceptible to diseases or infection? It would mean that you have the opportunity to live your life to the fullest. This is one of the benefits that mangoes provide, a rich source of vitamins A and C combined with 25 different kinds of carotenoids. This powerful combination helps you to keep your immune system strong and healthy. Magnesium. Mangoes are high in magnesium content, an electrolyte mineral that is essential for over 300 enzymatic functions in your body. This mineral is especially beneficial for heart health, helps your muscles to relax, and preventing cramps. Skin health. If you are having problems with skin breakout, try applying sliced mangoes onto your face and keep them for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your face and you will see a difference. Mangoes helps clear clogged pores and eliminates pimples for a clear-looking skin. Just imagine what it can do from the inside as well if you include this in your diet. Weight management. While many people are trying to lose weight, there are also some people who wanted to gain weight. This does not mean, however, that you can opt for unhealthy snacks by grabbing a pack of cookies or chips. You can increase your weight the healthy way by including mangoes in your diet. 150 grams of mango has about 86 calories that can be easily absorbed by the body. Consumption tips: ripe mangoes are usually best enjoyed eating as it is, or it can also be refreshing enough to be added in smoothies. Unripe mangoes are used in pickles, chutneys and as a side dish accompanied with salt, chili or soy sauce. Cautionary tips: while mango provides a wide variety of benefits, you should be wary of its peel as it can cause dermatitis within some individuals. This is due to the substance called urushiol present in mango that can cause mango allergies.